Labtech has developed a new mini single-layer cast film and sheet line type at a low cost. This mini line is equipped with a 30LD 16mm mini single-screw extruder to process regular polymer pellets. The extruder is equipped with a polished stainless steel hopper with a lid mounted on a slide valve assembly. It has a 0.75 kilowatt servo drive motor that can run at a speed range of 0 to 150 RPM. The extruder can slide on a guiding rod with a shaft handle for cleaning convenience, and it is secured in place with a quick lock. The C-clamp on the barrel flange secures the extruder die connection. The line is supplied with a flat coat hanger type die vertically pointing downward. It is a 125mm wide opening and an adjustable die gap from 0.3 to 2.0mm, and it can process at a max temperature of the die is 300 degrees Celsius. The vertically adjustable mini chill roll attachment has a diameter of 145mm and a width of 150mm. The line also has rubber nip rolls, a wind-up unit, and an air expansion shaft. The line is equipped with a 7-inch full central LCD touchscreen unit. All of the electrical and electronic components are contained in the sub-cabinet. The LCD touchscreen unit controls functions. The line is processing LDPE with PEMS StarBatch to produce thin films and sheets with an approximate width of 115mm. It can also process LDPE, PLA, PP, EVOH, PA, PET, PC, and many other resin types. The film is wounded in a wind-up device unit holding a max film width of 125mm and a max diameter of 250mm at a line speed of 0 to 10 meters per minute. This is Labtech's new mini single-layer cast film and sheet line type. Thank you for watching.